Hello, my name is Liesel. Do you want to highlight your most important message under your YouTube video? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add and pin a comment on YouTube in just a very few easy steps. Whether you're a YouTube beginner, content creator, or business owner, pinning comments can help increase engagement, share links, and boost your visibility. While you are here, please like and subscribe if you find value and share with someone you know who would like this too. Thank you so much. Now, let's get started. Log into your YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. Then on the left-hand side, click onto Content. Look through your videos and find the one where you would like to add the comment to. In my case, it's the second video here. Click onto the View on YouTube icon. I will open it in a new tab. Now I will add my comment. Then click onto these three little dots here. Click Pin. And now you've got a pinned comment. Let me know in the comments, do you use pinned comments on your videos? And do you read the pinned comments on other YouTube videos? I hope you found this useful. I hope you learned something new today. And if you've got any questions, please leave a message down in the comments. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.